Want some break from the X app? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to log out of your account on the X app. Let's get started. First, open the application. At the top left, tap on your profile picture. Scroll down, then tap on Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Your Account at the top. Then tap on Account Information. At the bottom, you can see the Logout option. Tap on it. Tap on Logout again to confirm the action. And that is how to log out of the X app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.